love it. It's a good company to work for. Real good company.
I like it's a good, safe work environment. Good folks to work for. They treat us right.
We've been very blessed. We pushed through, and we're going to continue pushing through. Good Lord willing.
Anybody that ever needs any help or something, man, it ain't just one person helping, man. It's everybody. So
I've had so much help from everybody: Brandon, Matt, Nick, and I'm thankful. I'm really thankful. I'm really blessed to be a part of this company, and I can't thank you guys enough. I've been here for approximately almost a year now.
I'm David Bolin. I've been here 8 years. It's a good company. Everybody kind of looks out for each other.
It is my 20th year anniversary working with Clay Stewart and CSI Erosion.
My name is Tim Martin. I've known Clay a long time, Clay and Brandon both, for about 11 years. And I've watched them grow. I've watched this company grow. I know kind of what they have been able to accomplish and where they've been and how they've moved into different regions of the Southeast.
Hi, my name is Waylon Moore, and I'm the erosion manager in North Carolina. I've been working here for about 3.5 years now. And one thing I really like about CSI is they're all about family. When I first started here 3.5 years ago, I was a laborer. I moved up pretty quickly to a crew leader within a couple of months. CSI gave me a lot of opportunity. Brandon and Clay really helped me out throughout the years, and I've become a manager within 3.5 years, and I'm blessed for that.
Hi, my name is Dwayne Hickey. I am the director of CSI Erosion Carolinas, North and South Carolina. And I've been with CSI for now 5.5 years. As we go and teach these principles to our guys, they are beginning to have craftsmanship, professionalism, and just overall striving in their personal life as well as business.
Our core values were always kind of embedded in our company. We call it WIN LT, wonderful attitude, innovative, never do the minimum, longevity, and trustworthy. I mean, we love them, we live by them.
Hey guys, I'm Jesse Hayes. I am Alabama's director for the Erosion Control Division. I have been with the company for just over a year or so. One of the biggest things that I love is that they're a Christian faith-based company. A lot of people claim it, but they don't live it. We prayed before all the meals that we ate over. We prayed before meetings. They were living the word. I mean, that right there was very impressive for somebody like me. And to see how family and tight-knit everybody was around here was just a really big selling point to me.
Just hearing the leaders of the company take time to pray for the guys' safety, the guys in general, anytime there's someone hurt or someone's family member that is sick or unwell, and the fact that all the way from the top it's being, thought of, prayed for.
No doubt God's had a hand in this. Everything we do with His blessing. We pray about it, we think about it. We take time and really, really reflect to see if it's what He wants and what's best for the company as well.
A large part with the success of the company is that it's highly rooted in faith and God to pull us through the hard years.
We love you and thank you and cherish you for every effort and every time that you have had to endure these elements, whether it be cold, whether it be hot, whether it be raining, whether it be sunny and beautiful like it is today. Lord, you've taken every bit of it and ran with it, and for that we're forever grateful.